Morning. Oh gosh, these dang cement trucks has been coming in and out of here. Oh. Yeah, I stayed here in this little parking lot last night. Yeah. Okay, let's get around. Morning, everybody. It's Tuesday. Let's get changed clothes here on. Okay, got my coffee here going. Ready to take my meds. Yeah, just getting around here. Sun's creeping up there. Today we're reading in Mark 129 through 34. Armor up. Yeah, I'll go in and read some Psalms 91. Psalms 100. Psalms 103. Yeah. Got to do it every morning though. Okay, we're getting ready to head on down the road here about 3 miles and see if we can get this tractor off here. Okay, just getting here at the farm to unload. Right over there's the little no-till. Tractor's over here. Just waiting for the family to get here. I'm gonna go down here and take a look at this, see about jerking that deal off. Okay, we're in this little 55A now. It's a nice little tractor, boys. Yeah. Air's blowing, radio's on. Got a little sunroof here. Yeah. 102 hours. Okay, I didn't have two hands, but yeah, I had to unload the tractor. We're getting ready to pull the, lift that no-till up and pull that front hitch off. This air sure feels good, that's all I know. Okay, we got our bolts out of this plate finally on our tongue. It's all disconnected. I got one more down here on the end. Take out here. But yeah, we got a telehandler on one end and on the other. Okay, we back got her up off the ground. I'm gonna back under it. But yeah, we're about to get there. Okay, got the no-till loaded. Now I'm bringing this big old hitch front dilly over here and trying to put it on, get it up on here. And then we'll go test drive that tractor. Yeah. Sweet. Okay, we're loaded out here at the Britton farm. Good to go. Yeah, getting ready to head north back to the house. Got a little hangover over here. 2 foot or so. Yeah, let's go. It's getting hot. Let's get back in there. Been sweating. It's so humid here. Everybody have a great day and stay tuned to Bryan Venture Outdoors HotShot. Okay, I was gonna refuel here one more time. Finally made it to 35. Guess where we're at, Nate? We're at Buc-ee's. 207. 207 gas pumps out here. But yeah, look at that rain back north here. We're getting ready to get into. Wash this stuff off. But stay tuned. Let's go in here and grab something to eat, and I'll get some video of inside. Okay, Nate, let's go in here and check it out. I don't know where that big beaver is at. Usually there's a beaver where you can rub on it. But yeah. Okay, here we are. Gotta pay for some gas. Okay. This is jerky, nuts, all kinds of stuff over there. There's so much stuff in here. Yeah, I gotta head over here to the coffee and tea, and then we'll go over by the roundup.
Should I give me a little icy?
Yeah, so much stuff here. I'm not gonna spend much time because yeah, if you ever get out here, yeah, try that. Okay, here's the drinks. Here's where they cook everything up here at the roundhouse. Yeah, I got about everything. Any kind of meat you want. I might find some chicken here in a minute. But yeah, I gotta get a beverage. Stay tuned. Okay, I topped it off there at 100. I was on like quarter tank. Look how close I got back here. I already checked the chains. All the chains are good. But yeah, look how tight this is. Yeah, I don't know how many deals. It goes on to 245. No telling how many pumps they have here. Yeah, I had to come in here and check all my stuff, make sure it's all, yeah. My latch here to bungee the door. My top deal. Yeah, we're good. Let's hit the road. It's 12:44. Might run into some rain. Stay tuned. O'Brien Venture Outdoors Hot Shot. Here, Bucky. I got me a green tea and a turkey, smoked turkey. Yeah, these are really good. Let's tear it open and see what it looks like. Oh goodness. Look at all that sloppiness there, boys. Yeah. Smoked turkey and barbecue sauce. Scrumptious. Stay tuned. I'm gonna get up out here as soon as I get done munching here. Well, we finally hit the rain. It's pretty good rain back there. Didn't think about recording it, but yeah, I just shut her down to 55. It's pretty bad. We're tootling along here now, though. I don't know how many hours it says. 135. Okay, made her back to the shop here. Got everything here. Yeah, it was a good run. Everything stayed pretty tight though. Once I had it all set down and boomed down, I just had to tighten it like maybe 2, 3 at the most. But yeah, stay tuned. O'Brien Venture Outdoors and Hot Shot Texas trip.